Watch it grow. And now grow a whole collection of fun with Chia teddy bears, puppies, kittens, lambs. Oh, there's even a Chia tree to keep your pets company. Chia Pets and Trees, the pottery that grows. The Chia Pet and Chia.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Medina and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 a.m. Est. At 5:48 a.m. Est, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Medina, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Akron around 6 a.m. Est. Barberton around 6:05 a.m. Est. Tallmadge around 6:10 a.m. Est. Together around 6:15 a.m. Est. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fair Lawn, Chippewa on the Lake, Norton, Lakemore, Montrose Gap, Briarwood Beach, Gloria Glens Park, Pigeon Creek, Portage Lakes, and Seville.